All right. So today's video, this is a pretty special video. I got my brother-in-law back there on his ZX6R, and then my dad's right there on my R1. So he came down from Oklahoma. So we're trying to go out and get a little ride in. It did just rain, so it's slick. But we're trying to get some drier areas, because right now, I mean, I have the traction control off anyway because I always have it turned off. But the Challenger, it doesn't go anywhere. As soon as you twist the throttle, it just spins. Which is kind of fun because it's actually really controllable. Like when it does break the tire loose, it'll just kind of spin. It doesn't kick out crazy. You can just kind of feel it wiggling around back there, and then you just feel the, or you see the RPMs jump, and then it just kind of brrr, and just kind of hangs out right there. So it's pretty fun. But yeah, we're gonna try to ride out somewhere where it's dry-ish, not as wet, and get some riding in, because I think my dad's only here for like 3 days or something, so he ain't gonna be here very long. But I'll kind of be making little video things throughout the day, so we'll see how it goes. First through third, lighting the tire up at like probably way too fast. It's fun riding this thing when it's a little damp outside. I mean, it'll do it when it's dry too, but like it just wears out your tire too much when it's dry, you know? So like if it's a little damp, it's a little easier on the tire, a little easier on the drivetrain. A little more fun. I think right now we're gonna take my dad out to the dam. Oh, sorry, my hood's open. I think we're gonna take him out to the dam right now. So hopefully it ain't too wet out there. We'll go out there, chill around, talk for a little bit, sit, relax, enjoy the nice weather, and then we'll probably ride somewhere else after that too. But once we get closer to the dam, I'll see if I can do like a little montage riding up video and stuff. Man, I didn't raise my foot up fast enough, and all that water just went right in my shoe.
Oh. I have to say, I forgot what it was like.
What?
It feels good.
Riding a sport bike?
Huh?
Riding a sport bike?
Yeah.
Oh.
Haven't ridden on you.
Y'all may notice that I'm on a different bike now, and my bike's behind me. Well, the Challenger's behind me. My brother-in-law's on the Challenger, and I'm on his ZX6 because he said he wanted to. Ride the Challenger. So I was like, "Oh, that's fine." I was, I'd like to see what my bike looks like, not being on it. Hopefully, it sounds pretty good. I want to know what it sounds like. I haven't been on a sport bike with an exhaust in a while. I also haven't been on a 600 in a while. So it feels weird. I'll see if I can get him to pass us or something. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. I forgot I was recording, guys. Sorry. Then started having fun. But we're kind of going back the same way we came. We're going to take a slightly different way back, but not too much different because we got to go by Sarah Tate's job to get the laptop. Dang, that thing sounds good. Man, my bike looks good. I like the way that thing looks. That thing looks super good. From not being on it. This is the first time I've ever seen it with, like, from this point of view. I've never not ridden it. That thing looks good like that. It does look a little weird without the dual pipes though, but honestly, it's worth it to have that 2-in-1. I love the way that 2-in-1 sounds, and I like the way it looks too. It looks pretty good. I like it. The dad back there chilling on the R1. That looks really good. I like the way that thing looks. That's a menacing sight, seeing that thing coming up in your side mirror. That thing looks mean from the front. Oh man, yeah, I don't really have a whole lot to talk about today, guys. I'm just kind of out riding with my dad and my brother-in-law. We don't have a whole lot of time to ride because I got a meeting at 1 o'clock, so we're just kind of out here chilling. But that's probably going to be like the only talking that I really have to do in the video today. Everything else is all just kind of popping on whenever we're doing like rolling shots and stuff like that. So was, so we'll see if it'll keep up now. Whew, that was a good little ride today. Oh man, it was looking rough when we started out this morning, but the wind cleared up. Not the wind, the rain cleared up. It's actually a nice day now. It was, I mean, it was dark and cloudy and raining this morning. Y'all saw how wet the roads were and stuff, but it cleaned up a lot. So, might actually get a chance to go out again later on this evening. We'll have to see. But that's going to do it for today. Thanks for riding along with us. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.